BT's come an awful long way from the wires and the cables and the telephone lines. We are now a world-leading service provider. My job is to deliver the consumer experiences to business customers to delight them. The challenge for BT Business and Public Sector is we have such a range of customers. It's not one experience. So if we're going to have a simple, personal dialogue with that customer, we have to be really ingenious about the type of technology that we use, so it has to be digital, and that's why we turn to Adobe. Data is so critical to understanding your customer experience because everyone's got opinion, but with data, you cut through opinion and you actually see evidence.
It was important for us to have a platform in Adobe Campaign that could be integrated into the rest of the technology stack. So we're able to link it into Experience Manager, on which our website is built, and Analytics, Target, and also Audience Manager. So we have pretty complex data. And what Adobe has been excellent at is being able to use that data to create powerful segments and really powerful multi-channel journeys. So we're able to understand where the customer is in that whole lead life cycle and use that information to drive and trigger campaigns to help support the sales process. That's hugely powerful.
One of the main differences for me with Adobe Campaign is really the confidence that we've got the right messaging for the right customers. I work in an industry where we're regulated and sometimes there's consequences of not getting that right. I think it's really that reassurance that we're able to be compliant as well.
Through personalisation and giving all the information to the customer at the time that they needed it, we actually saw the volume of calls go down by half. Adobe Campaign is actually linked to our advisor system. When the customer calls, the agent knows what the call is in relation to. This creates an enhanced customer experience. With Adobe Campaign, the more information we send to customers, the more we then start to build up a profile of the way that the customers have reacted to certain communications. As a result of personalisation, we've seen email open rates go up by around 17%.
Having Adobe Customer Solutions working closely with us has really helped us accelerate the deployment. It's brought the data team closer together with the digital team, closer together with the marketing teams as well.
It's really been very wonderful to be able to see people light up with the opportunities that the capability is given. Adobe's nearly become one of those words like Hoover. We're going to Adobe that.